Hello friends, I just want to show you how to make chapati today. It's made by Chef Dhan Singh. See how is chapati become like balloon. Wow. See? You take out the flour first, then after rolling. After that, he just putting on the
dry fry.
yeah. After that, he bailing the chapati. After that, actually it look like easy, but it's a bit difficult to make the chapati. You have to make a round, see, by hand. After that, turn the chapati and put on the here fire. And see, it's become like balloon. Wow. Nice. Oh, it's ready. It's take only few seconds to make. See,
push कर दे.
Chef Dancing, made by Chef Dancing chapati. Wow, it's become like balloon. Wow, delicious chapati. Wow. Please come and join us to eat chapati, delicious chapati. Thank you very much for watching this video.